losing weight, eliminating stubborn fat, transforming our body into a healthy one. How difficult it is. Looking in the mirror and feeling that our own body has become an enemy. You've tried everything, crazy diets, miracle promises, entire days of starvation, followed by nights of guilt. But the scale doesn't forgive, and the stubborn fat seems to laugh in our faces, clinging to our bodies as if it will never leave. You feel the weight, not just in the numbers that appear when you step on the scale, but also in the looks, the subtle comments, and the clothes that no longer fit. Food, which should be just nourishment, becomes both a refuge and a prison. The cycle seems endless. Binge eating, guilt, the promise to start over tomorrow. But tomorrow comes, and the story repeats itself. You ask yourself, will I ever succeed? The truth is, this struggle goes far beyond the physical. It eats away at your self-esteem, makes you doubt yourself, and turns every attempt into something more painful than the last. But what if I told you there's a way out? Not a magic formula, not a hidden secret, but a real, achievable path that begins with a single decision. You are not alone. If you've tried everything to lose weight and nothing seems to work, it's not your fault. Stubborn fat, especially in the abdomen, hips, and thighs, may be protected by your own metabolism. What nobody tells you is that often your body is fighting against you, slowing down fat burning and increasing hunger. But what if there was a way to reverse this? In this video, I'll talk about a supplement that has been gaining a lot of attention for its excellent results. It's Mitolyn, the innovative supplement that activates your metabolism from the inside out. With a scientifically developed formula, Mitolyn targets the root of the problem, speeding up fat burning, reducing cravings, and bringing back the energy you thought you had lost. But to achieve real and lasting results, it's essential to understand that there is no magic formula. The key to permanent weight loss is a combination of factors: a fast metabolism, a balanced diet, and regular physical activity. Mitolyn will enhance your results, but you must move your body. Physical activity is not just about losing weight, it's about gaining quality of life. Whether it's a daily walk, weight training, dancing, or any other exercise that makes you feel good, the important thing is to keep your body active. This not only boosts fat burning, but also strengthens your mental health, reducing stress and anxiety that often lead to binge eating. And when it comes to nutrition, forget about crazy diets that only bring frustration. The secret is balance. Including fiber-rich foods, proteins, and healthy fats in your daily routine helps control appetite and keeps your metabolism working properly. And this is where Mitolyn becomes your greatest ally, maximizing your efforts and providing your body with the right nutrients to accelerate fat burning and reduce hunger naturally. With ingredients like L-carnitine, which converts fat into energy, coenzyme Q10, which fights fatigue and boosts vitality, and chromium picolinate, which regulates insulin levels and curbs sugar cravings, Mitolyn gives you all the support you need to achieve your best physique and your best self. Now that you know how to truly transform your body, all that's left is to take the first step. Mitolyn is available exclusively on the official website, ensuring quality and safety for you. So, click the link pinned in the first comment and in the description. Oh, and if this content helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more weight loss and wellness tips. The change starts now. Let's discover our best version.